Hi there, this is Andrea Mowry of Drea Renee Knits, and today I'm going to be doing a quick little demonstration on how I like to work a slip knit decrease in Half-Fisherman rib. If you're unfamiliar with Half-Fisherman rib, I have linked a little tutorial below so that you can go check it out. And so this decrease, I'm going to be working on the right side of my fabric after working a wrong side knit row. That is working flat. If you were working in the round, this would be after you've worked an even purl round. So you're getting ready to work a knit one below, purl one, round or row. And to work this decrease, you should be, the first stitch coming up on your left-hand needle should belong to a knit column, followed by a purl column, because this decrease is going to pull your knit column stitch to the left on top of that purl column. I'm going to first demonstrate this continental style holding the yarn in my left hand. I will then show it again right-handed English style. So to make this decrease as easy and efficient as possible, when you slip that first stitch knitwise, you're going to insert your needle into the stitch below and just slip both like that. And now we're going to slip the next stitch as well, knitwise. And now we are just going to go ahead and knit them together. Easy peasy, right? I'll show you one more time, continental style. So slip the first stitch knitwise, inserting your needle tip into the stitch below, over to the right hand needle. Slip the next stitch knitwise, same way. And then we're just going to knit them together. And you can see they're leaning to the left over that purl column. So now let's try that English style, holding the yarn in our right hand. So again, inserting my needle tip into the stitch below of my knit column, knitwise. And then when you slip the next stitch, that's just regular, that's your purl column, so you don't have to go into the stitch below. You just go into the regular stitch. And now we are going to knit them together. I'll show that one more time. Insert your needle into the stitch below for the knit column, knitwise, and then just into the stitch on the needle for the next stitch, also knitwise to slip, and knit them together. And that's it. That's a slip knit in Half-Fisherman rib. Thank you for watching.